Okay, this is a nice, easy, quick video on expanding brackets and factorizing. We're only going to factorize monic quadratics, which are quadratics with a number 1 in front of just an x squared. So just basically x squared terms, not 5x squared terms. I think it's a bit late to start teaching you how to do the other stuff. If you are curious, I can make a video very, very quickly, but the exam's 2 days away, so let me know if that's the thing you want to see. First, let's do the expanding brackets. You can see there's 2 different methods here. I'm going to show you my method on the left-hand side first. And basically, where there's lines where there are numbers there, you're going to be multiplying. So you're going to do 3x times 2x, 3x times minus 5, 2x times 2 times 2x, sorry, and 2 times minus 5. And if you do that, you get 6x squared, negative 15x, plus 4x, minus 10. Now, why am I so strict on the order of the numbers? Because if you do them in that order, the middle 2 will always collect as like terms. Okay, so your final answer would go 6x squared, you've got minus 15x plus 4x, that's minus 11x, then 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. You don't need to kind of collect like terms for the first or the last term. So do it that way. That FOIL method is quite nice. It's called the FOIL method. For this, it's an acronym for something I can't remember, but just go with that. Now, the alternate, and people say this is easier, so if you like it better, go with it, is the grid method. And it's the same grid method you do with numbers. So you split up 3x and 2, you split up 2x and minus 5. Notice the minus lives on there. Multiply it together. 2x times 3x, 2x times 2, 3 times minus 5x, minus 5 times 2. Now, the clever ones among you say, well, that's practically the same thing as the one on the left-hand side, and you'd be right. Okay? And of course, the answer is the same as well. So that's that. Now, if you just excuse my hand for a moment, it will say hello to you. Hello. And we'll talk about factorizing monic quadratics. As I said, I'm not touching the ones with the numbers in front of them. So I'm not 6x squareds, or 3x squareds, or 5x squareds, just the normal x squareds. Why? Because that's the ones you know. If you are, as I said, if you are curious to find out how to do that, numbers with 3x squared and 6x squared, it's called the AC method. You can look it up, or you can just ask me to make a video, and I'm quite happy to do that. Anyways, how does it work? Look at the middle number and the last number. The last number is 6, and the middle number is 5. And the rule is, you want to find 2 numbers that make the last number, 6, and 2 numbers, the same 2 numbers that add up to make 5. Once you found them, which are obviously 2 and 3, you put them in the brackets. X plus 2, x plus 3. Sounds easy enough, but they can be negative numbers. They can be minus numbers. I was being a bit childish by calling them minus numbers. They're negative numbers. They can be 2 negative numbers. There can be 1 negative number. All right? So you just have to be skillful with your sums and make sure you're doing the right thing. As in, like, if it says minus 6 at the end, don't just pretend it's 6. It is minus 6, and you're going to have to deal with that. Okay? I hope that makes it reasonably clear. The thing about this is practice. I can do these really fast, as you've seen in class, because I've done about 40 million. I'm not necessarily cleverer than you are. But I do think practice makes perfect on these things. All right, bye.